That sound, it transports you. It's not just coming from your TV. It's above you, behind you, inside the scene. But walk into any store, and you're hit with a wall of confusing specs, impossible promises, and insane price tags. What if the best-selling system actually ruins your movie experience? We turned a studio into a cinematic battleground. We spent weeks and thousands calibrating 25 top systems with true Dolby Atmos content. We found systems that lie about their power, and a few hidden gems that will absolutely blow your mind. The countdown to auditory heaven starts now. Starting at number 1. Sonos Premium Immersive Set with Arc Ultra Soundbar. Best overall. The Sonos Home Theater Bundle gives you powerful sound, easy setup, and a rich set of connectivity features. It includes the excellent Arc Ultra Smart Soundbar, the Sub-4 woofer, and a pair of Era 300 rear speakers. Combined, they immerse you in an Atmos-powered soundscape, powered by a whopping 28 audio drivers. That's more than any competitor offers. Streaming movies on my big screen TV made me feel like I was in a private movie theater, not my living room. Listening to live jazz recordings felt like being at a live concert. The elaborate surround sound system is easy to set up and control via the Sonos app. Through the app, I was able to bump up the bass and treble and enhance dialogue clarity. The app's true standout feature, however, is the setup tool, which allowed me to optimize the systems for my space's acoustics. When listening to music, I like being able to control the audio playback and volume of the entire system via Hey Sonos voice commands. Products from other makers don't offer the convenience, unless, and where available, you set them up as Amazon Alexa smart speakers. Available in black or white, the wireless system is easy to integrate into any home decor. Sonos speakers are pricey across the board, but you can configure a more affordable setup like this one, which features smaller Era 100 rear speakers. The audio performance is still excellent, but not quite as powerful or detailed as the version I tested. Number 2. Vizio Surround Sound System with Elevate SE Soundbar. Best value. For less than $500, this Vizio system gives you Dolby Atmos sound that, until not too long ago, was only available in much pricier products. Featuring a soundbar with rotating height speakers, a wireless subwoofer, and a pair of rear speakers, the system provided a cinematic sound that surpasses the standalone soundbar many consumers spend $500 or less on. Vizio is known for making affordable tech that outpaces its price, and this system is yet another example, delivering impressive audio performance. Its fabric-covered soundbar has aluminum accents and integrated customizable lights. The curved rear speakers and subwoofer are surprisingly compact and sleek. Having become accustomed to dealing mostly with rectangular boxes in this product category, I felt like I was interacting with a more upmarket product while setting up the Vizio Elevate SE. Setting up the Vizio Elevate SE system was an easy, but slightly unusual process. I had to connect its rear speakers to the subwoofer via cables instead of wirelessly linking them to the soundbar. This limited the bass unit placement option to only the sides of my couch, unless I was willing to deal with long wires. Number 3. Sony Bravia Theater Quad Home Theater System. Most discreet. Sony's Bravia Theater Quad Surround Sound System is a unique system, which not only delivers superb sound, that's practically a given in this price category, but a dynamic design. Rather than the standard 5.1 setup with a soundbar and rear speakers, you get a set of 4 satellites, which connect to a control box connected to your TV. This gives you more flexibility to position your speakers around your viewing space. It certainly made my installation easier. I could make room for some of the speakers on tables and shelves, and mount others on a wall. Both setups performed well in my space. Regarding audio performance, the Bravia Theater Quad produced rich, multi-dimensional Dolby Atmos sound when I put it through its paces, courtesy of 4 audio drivers per speaker unit. The system's 16 total speakers, an uncommonly big number for such a low-key setup, blanketed my living room with detail-rich sound. Number 4. JBL Bar 1000 MK2 Surround Sound System. Most versatile. JBL's Bar 1000 MK2 Surround Sound System looks like any other soundbar at a glance, and that's my favorite thing about it. Unlike any other soundbar, however, the Bar 1000 MK2 has detachable speakers, so it can transform into a proper surround sound system when and if you want it. The detachable satellites are wireless and battery-powered, delivering up to 10 hours of playback between charges, enough for a serious movie marathon. You'll want to reconnect them to the soundbar between binge watches, though, so they can recharge. That may sound like a hassle, but as someone who lives in a small New York City apartment, I found having the ability to put my rear speakers away, avoiding the need for speaker stands that would take up precious space, to be a lifesaver. The Bar 1000 MK2 performed predictably well, immersing me in a bubble of detail-rich, powerful sound, with powerful bass from the bundled subwoofer. Dialogue sounded clear, too, and the JBL One app allowed me to customize the sound to my exact preferences. It was also an excellent platform for streaming music during my testing via my Apple AirPlay and Google Chromecast. Number 5. Klipsch Flexus Surround Sound System. Best bass. The Klipsch Flexus sets itself apart with its thunderous, but easily adjustable bass. It features a pair of 4-inch mini woofers in the soundbar, as well as a massive 10-inch Core 100 wireless subwoofer. Combined, those bigger bass units unsurprisingly generated the most powerful lows of any set I tested. I liked that the bass was conveniently customizable via a dedicated button on the system's remote, as well as via its smartphone app. In addition to a dedicated button for adjusting the bass, the included remote control has a convenient standalone key for adjusting the dialogue clarity. While testing the system, its powerful bass made every type of content I viewed livelier. It brought more drama to movie scenes, including ones that didn't involve action-packed sequences. I profoundly enjoyed the depth it added to my favorite Thievery Corporation albums. Equipped with more audio drivers than other soundbars in its price category, the Dolby Atmos-capable Flexus Core 200 soundbar complemented the excellent bass output with harmonious mids and vibrant treble. So, whether you're building the ultimate man cave or just want to hear what your movies actually sound like, one of these 5 systems is your ticket to a front-row experience. All the exact systems we tested, with our updated calibration tips and where to find the best deals, are linked for you in the video description below. If we helped you hear the difference or saved you from a costly mistake, do us a solid, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this content matters. Share this video with the biggest movie buff you know. And for more deep dive tech reviews that separate hype from reality, subscribe and ring the bell. Your ears will thank you. See you in the next one.